Gowow Ori, a cutting-edge electric motorcycle from a Chinese startup, is making waves in the off-roading adventure scene, presenting a formidable challenge to established industry players. Sporting a design reminiscent of Cake's cock, the Ori's enduro stance and minimalist aesthetics turn heads, but its prowess extends beyond looks. Weighing approximately 161 pounds with a balanced 50/50 weight distribution, the Ori blends agility and balance crucial for off-road maneuvering. Beneath its sleek frame, the Ori houses a powerful electric motor generating up to 420 Nm of torque, capped at a safe top speed of 100 km/h. The Electric Warrior's battery ensures an impressive 62-mile range on a full charge, catering to dirt bike enthusiasts. Gowow goes beyond mechanical excellence, integrating smart technology into the Ori. A dedicated app allows riders to monitor real-time journey details and bike statistics, providing a digital co-pilot for off-road adventures. The Ori's structure combines technology with practical design, featuring a double-spar composite frame and a 4-link rear suspension system tailored for challenging terrains. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power in dirt conditions. Notably, the Gowow Ori has received road approval in Japan as a Type 2 moped, though its US marketing focuses on its off-road appeal without street-legal status. While the Ori's price tag is higher than some alternatives, its performance, design, and smart features make it a compelling choice for off-road enthusiasts.